Hi students, in this video we'll discuss parts tree or derivation tree. Right, parts tree, or it is known as derivation tree. Parts tree or derivation tree. If I denote the derivation in the form of a tree, it is known as parse tree or derivation tree. Right, so we can see how we can write this parse tree or derivation tree. I have this rules. Right, first I will make this leftmost derivation. I will make the leftmost derivation. I take the same string which I have done in the previous video, id plus id star id. So I'll start with my start symbol e plus e. Right, leftmost derivation, I have to replace the leftmost non-terminal. Go to RHS, replace the leftmost non-terminal. Right, so it is I need id. Right, so I replace this leftmost e. Corresponding production is E tends to ID. Next I will replace the leftmost one. I need a star, so I use this production E star E. E tends to E star E. Right? Now I have two E's. So it is replace this leftmost E, ID plus ID star E, and then last ID plus ID, replace this E, you will get this. Right? Now what I have to do? I have to draw my parse tree. Right? I have to draw my parse tree. While drawing the parse tree, you have to keep in mind, I told it is a tree, right? Derivation, if I denote in the form of a tree, it is known as parse tree or derivation tree. So the root of that tree should be your start symbol. Right? Root of your tree should be your start symbol, and all the vertex, it can be either your terminal or non-terminal. Right? But your leaves should be compulsorily, it should be your terminals. Right, I'll tell you once again. In your parse tree, root should be root should be your start symbol. Root should be your start symbol. All the vertex, it should be either terminal or non-terminal. It can be either terminal or non-terminal, but leaf should be only terminal. Right, so I'll start with this. Right, hope it is visible. So take the complete one, E tends to E plus E. E plus E. So your root should be your start symbol. Right? Then this leftmost E I am replacing. Right? Next, what did I do? I replaced this E to E star E. Is it visible? E star E. Right? Now replace this E by ID. Right? Star, and this one is your ID. At last you got, you check all your leaf, ID, terminal, plus terminal, ID terminal, star terminal, and ID terminal. This is your leftmost derivation parse tree. Right? So root should be your start symbol. All the vertex, it should be either your terminal or non-terminal, but leaf should be only terminals. Right? Next we can see rightmost derivation. Rightmost derivation parse. Rightmost derivation parse tree. So I start with my start symbol. E tends to E plus E. It is this rightmost derivation, you all know. You all know I should replace my rightmost E. Right? So it is E plus this E I replace with E star E. E tends to E star E. Replace the rightmost E. E plus E star ID. ID star ID. We are using the same production. ID plus ID star ID. Same production. Right? Now I have to start my parse tree. So use the first production. E plus E. Right? Now what I have done, I have replaced this E. Right? So it is, again it is 3 branches. E star E. Right? Next what I have done, rightmost E. ID. Next what I have done, rightmost E. And at last it is this. Now you check ID plus ID star ID. Right? So this is your rightmost derivation parse tree. Thank you.